The Rollercoin Multiverse series continues with another great progression event, and this one is Superham. Stay tuned. Alright, so another great progression event by Rollercoin, and this is from the Rolly Multiverse universe. So this is Superham. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin. And at the top here is the banner Rolly Multiverse Superham, and this is going to be the last progression event for June. More details, we can see here that there are 3 days, 8 hours and 21 minutes remaining for this progression event at the time of recording this video. And this is the Kryptonian 9.999999 gigahash per second. Okay, so that is practically 10 petahash right there, the most powerful miner that you can get in this progression event, and it can be yours if you complete all 20 levels in this progression event. Yes, this is a 20 level progression event. As you can see here, I've been making a bit of progress already. I'm still on level 1, but I've made a bit of progress right there. The quests for this progression event are as follows. To get to a higher difficulty level in the game, you get 500 points. If you spend 1 RLT except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, you'll get 1000 points for each RLT that you spend there. For each RLT that you spend in the marketplace, you'll be getting 200 points. And for each RLT that you spend in the crafting offer, you'll get 5000 points. Points are without the multiplier, so you need to multiply those points by the multiplier you have accordingly. And like I always like to do, I'm going to go through the list of rewards that you can get in this 20 level progression event, thanks to Piero, like always. So here we go, starting from level 1 down to level 20. We start off with the 25 RST at level 1. We've got 100 terahash for 7 days at level 2 and another 1 petahash for 7 days at level 6 as well. So you can get quite a bit there at level 6. It's only for 7 days, but it's quite a significant amount, and you can enjoy that for an entire week. Again, at level 4, there's 350 terahash there as well. There are a couple of event pass EXP points that you can get to get you through the season and get those rewards as well. So at level 3 there's 12 EXP, at level 5 there's 25 EXP. There are a couple of racks as well, so at level 8 we can see that there is a 0.5% Wonder Rack 8 there. A few miners here, I don't think I have this one myself, it's called the Womb at 60 terahash, not a lot of power, but you do get a nice 1% bonus attached to that miner if you don't have it already. We've got the Black Cat at 50 terahash, but no bonus there. Wonder Rack 6 at 2% bonus at level 11. Going down the list, there's another temporary bonus power at level 14 at a nice 1.25 petahash, again for another week. The Mother, you get that at level 15 and level 16, 210 terahash, so potentially you could merge these two and get a bonus as well when you do actually merge those. Swedish Miracle Rack 6 at level 17 with a rack bonus of 5% there. MREX 314 terahash with 0.5% bonus. Sentinella at level 19 where you get 800 terahash and a 0.75% bonus. Again, the bonus if you don't already have that miner. And last but not least, the Kryptonian at 10 petahash, no bonus attached to it, but it is 10 petahash and it's yours to keep if you manage to get to level 20. As you can see the points here, you'll need a total of 16 million, just over 16 million points to get to level 20, and then you will need another 13 million to get the Kryptonian. So in total, you need approximately 29 million points in this progression event to receive all of the rewards. So just to run through the summary here, in minus power you will get 11.6 petahash if you manage to get all of the miners in the list. So 11.6 petahash, and that is not a small amount, it's quite significant, especially if you're still starting out in the game. Minus bonus, you'll get 2.25% if you don't already own the miners in the list. If you do already own the miners, you just need to subtract the ones that you do own, and you'll get the total number of miners bonus that you'll be getting after you actually do that calculation. Temporary power, you get 2.7 petahash for 1 whole week to enjoy as well. Season EXP, you get 37 EXP, like we went through here at level 6 and level 3. So that's 27 EXP to get you through the season a bit faster if you haven't completed it already. And 125 RST, where you can spend in the season store before the season ends. So that is pretty much the progression event, which is running from the 29th of June. So this just started yesterday at the time of recording this video. I would say that for around 30 million total number of points, as a multiplier, remember there is a 35% discount going on and other discounts going on, which I will get into shortly. I think that with around 17 times 17 multiplier, you'll be able to get all of those rewards. Hopefully you'll be lucky enough with the loot boxes as well. And you'll get through the entire event. You'll need to buy 160 RLT, but as opposed to spending $160, with a 35% discount, you'll be spending $109. So that is equivalent to 109 RLT. So in reality, you'll be spending less crypto to be getting more RLT and exchanging more RLT, and at the same time you'll be getting a higher multiplier as well to get you through this progression event even faster. If we go to the site again, here we can see that in the wallet section currently going on, there is a 35% discount on TRX, there is a 15% discount on BTC, and there is a 20% discount on Solana. So be sure to take advantage of these discounts because they will definitely help you to get a bigger multiplier and help you to get all of those rewards even faster as well. I do open loads of loot boxes when I actually do these progression events, so it's going to be largely based on luck and what loot boxes you do open as well. Always remember my tips and tricks on multipliers, which is in the description below this video, and also the other tips and tricks that I've given you, like for example, priming the games before you actually buy the multiplier, so priming them to get to the last level before you go to the next difficulty. I'd leave normally this at difficulty level 1, just play 2 games to get to the very last level of that difficulty. Do that for all, and then you'll just be able to play one of each when you do have the multiplier, so that you can get those points with the multiplier straight away and not waste a lot of time and make more efficient use of that 1 hour that you have with the multiplier. So I wish you all the very best of luck in this progression event. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.